Hello everyone, welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. And today is a special day because it is not a regular walk. We are at the march for the climate strike. You know, global warming is a big thing nowadays, and now we are at an event where people from all over the world are striking and demonstrating against global warming. And here in front of us we have the most famous climate activist Greta Thunberg in front of us here, and many other youth. And today we are going to march from Mynttorget here in Gamla Stan, and we're gonna walk all the way towards Vasaparken. That's why I said earlier today in the video from yesterday, we're gonna end up at Vasaparken again, and we will. I think we're going to start walking in a few minutes time from now. So there you can see her. Let's go!
Solidaritet, vi har bara en planet. Internationell solidaritet, vi har bara en planet. Internationell solidaritet, vi har bara en planet. Solidaritet, vi har bara en planet.
Ja, vi kommer. Ja, vad roligt.
Nu! Klimaträttvisa! Klimaträttvisa! Nu!
It's hard to say how many people showed up today. It's a few thousand, I would say. Oh. I think I started my video a little bit too early because the walk hasn't started yet.
känner man förändringens vindar blåsa.
So now the march has started. All right. Yeah, it was quite funny to just to bump into Greta Thunberg like that. You always expect, you know, that it's hard to approach like famous people, but it wasn't. I said hi to her as well off camera, but yeah, you know, you don't want to put a camera on someone's face directly like that, so always need a little bit of respect. Maybe if I go quickly up here, we can see how many people are actually in here. Because here it's a bit raised. Let's have a look. Like, I don't want to go too political in this video because, you know, in the end I'm a walking channel and not a political channel. But let me put it this way, it is important for me to be here today. So I want to be part of it, and yeah, that's why I showed up today. Well, I mean, in the end, there's a reason, you know, why I walk a lot, because I like walking, and besides that I like walking, it's also good for the environment. All right, we are, oh yeah, we're going to Kungsträdgården, huh? A lot of young people.
Klimaträttvisa! Klimaträttvisa! Nej!
So happy it's not raining today, that would have been a disaster. Yeah, it's definitely a different walk than normal. There's a lot of media today here. When we started, there was almost more camera crews than people. That was funny. trying to reach the front here of the demonstration. Oh, sorry. Ja, jag förstår det.
Men ingen Pfizer eller någon annan.
Alrighty. I think this is it for today. This march here against climate change, global warming, here from Stockholm. And tomorrow we're back with a regular video. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.